Hello friends, how are you? Welcome in another brand new video. Today our topic is domain. What is domain? Start with the perfect domain. With more than 300 domain extensions, you will find one of that fits just right. Me, the perfect place to showcase who you are and what you are all about. Starting at $3.99 first year. So the right domain name to make all the difference from your e-commerce business starting at 4.99 first year dollar. Blog, the perfect domain for those who are ready to share these stories with word starting at 6.99 first year dollar. Pick up your path Pick your path to the brand new website. From building a simple site to create an online store, we have everything you need to really online. Best of all, they'll work together for once cohesive online experience. Web hosting. Want your domain name for free? Pair it with our reliable hosting and it's on us for the first year. Learn at as low as $3.75 per month. Website builder. Our smart builder does all the heavy lifting. Just answer a few questions and customizable site and build it just for as low as $1.99 per month. Web design and marketing service. Don't have time? Our expert will design, build, and market your website so you can get back to business. Learn more for free design consultation. Look for email our site security. We got you covered. Professional email and productivity. Look like a pro with the email address and matching your domain with Google Workshops Workspace. You'll also get a productivity tool to collaboration, file sharing, video chat, and more. Exploring Google Space Workspace www.yourdomain.com. Secure your site. These are website security require more than just a SSL certificate, which by the way you ought to have. Total security mean having the right protection in the place of whatever virtual threats come on your way. Compare security option. How we help you do. We are here with the help and advise you to need bring the idea to life. Top notch support. If you are ever run into the problem, just use chat and we'll help you get it fixed fast. Live chat. Discover our blog. Get great advice, tips, and tricks from the professionals that know the domain hosting and website building industry. Start learning. Visit our knowledgeable base browser. Browse our knowledgeable base to see what other likes you are asking and get the answer you are looking for right away. Find source frequently. What is a website domain? Simply put, a website domain refer to your domain name, often shortened to just domain. What is the name of your website? Especially, it is a simplified form of an IP address that you can type into a web browser to reach your designation website. However, having a domain name doesn't necessarily mean you are a website. Check out our powerful and easy way to use website builder or read more about the difference between website and domain name before you get started. Why choose domain.com? We are happy that you are considering to build your next project with a domain. We have been the one of the largest and most trusted registrars for over 2 decades, helping customers achieve online success across all industry. Whether you are in the market for a new personal blog or building a new storefront on the online store, domain.com has all the tools and serves you need to thrive. Hope you can enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video.